Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. In this short video, we are discussing my toilet. Yes, that's right, we are discussing pooping in your van. Let's get started. Okay, my friends, so here's my collapsible toilet. It's blue. It comes in this bag, and this is how it works. It's these three pieces. Okay, so this is the bottom. What you need to do with this toilet in particular is this one has little rectangular notches. This is the bottom, okay, when it has those notches. So that's the bottom of it. So just pull out your toilet like so. Oh, looks like one of my things came off the, there we go. Like so, and then you take the bottom and you put it right in. Okay, so now what I do is I have these bags. So these are 6 gallon. So 6 gallon bags are my favorite. So I start with a 6 gallon bag. This is essentially just my liner to give it that extra protection because it's a nice heavy duty bag. So I start with that bag. And then I have my black bags. Now these are these bags decompose, so they're very environmentally friendly. These are 4 gallon, I believe. Now they're super thin, as you can see, because they do decompose. They're made from recyclable material. So I do 2 bags, 2 of these black bags. Okay, so now there's my bags. Now before I put the lid on, this is the litter that I use. So this is actually a Tidy Cat's lightweight clay litter container that I used for my cat, but I emptied it. So the litter does not come in this container, but I've been able to save it. So I use recycled paper pellets. This is what they look like. So it's literally just recycled newspaper. So that's what I use for my litter. So I just pour a little bit in. It's kind of dusty, so I generally do it outside. Just enough to absorb. So in my experience, I found that these paper pellets absorb liquid and keep odors at bay better than anything. So now we have our toilet. So it's all ready to go. So I've triple bagged and ready to go. I use standard toilet paper because toilet paper will also decompose, so you can bury it if you want in these bags. And then I also use these flushable wipes sometimes as well. So there we have it. That's the setup of the toilet. So now you can see that I have my toilet set up. Oh, my litter. I often put my litter in my front passenger seat, but you can see how short the toilet is, so I can use it while sitting on it in my van, or I can use my portable shower tent. Now, this is what it looks like. Those are the pellets. That's about the amount that I use. You can throw it in a dumpster. It works just like a diaper or dog poop, right? So you can throw it in a dumpster. But with these bags and this litter, you can also bury it if you want to be more environmentally friendly. So that is absolutely an option. Now, the toilet I got from Amazon, link in the description, of course. I believe it was around $40, but there's lots of this sort of variety where it's collapsible. So there are lots of options on Amazon. The same with the litter. The paper pellets that I use, it's actually called Yesterday's News, and it's Purina. So just remember, like, it's newspaper, so Yesterday's News. But I will put a link in the description for that as well. Along with the biodegradable bags that I use, because those are a really important part of the toilet scenario. The litter container fits perfectly on my passenger floor, so that's generally where I keep it. And then since the toilet collapses completely down, I can put that in the passenger seat as well. My friends, I hope you enjoyed this helpful video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys do for your toilet situation. I have a 5-gallon bucket as a backup with a toilet seat, so I have that as well. And if I have camping guests, then they can use my 5-gallon toilet. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in today. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.